Hi, I'm Michelle Scism, and I'm a business consultant who works with entrepreneurs to help them make more money and expand their business in a way that leverages their time so that they're not so consumed by their businesses. And today I'm excited because I get to talk to you about the process that I went through to write my book with Mitchell Levy and the team from AHAthat. It was actually probably one of the easiest books I've ever written. It was my fourth book. And, Mitchell, I have to say thank you. You just made this process so easy. It started out with a 2-hour interview, which actually was more like just a conversation where Mitchell asked me all kind of things about what I believe to be going on in business and for entrepreneurs and online business. And we just had a fantastic conversation. It went by very quickly, actually. And then after that, the team took that recording and they started to break it apart and turn it into the book. And when they sent the information over to me after they had done that, I was just shocked at all the great stuff that they pulled out of that interview and turned into the book. And then so from that point on, it was simply me looking through and making sure that it said exactly what I wanted to say. It was just so very simple. At this point, what I'm doing is I'm taking my book further and making it a printable book. And so what I've found to be very interesting is that, I know a lot about marketing, and to watch the way these guys are helping people use this book as a marketing tool, I think is fantastic. Leverage. I always talk about leverage. And so, really, if you're not sure how to use it, they're going to help you with that. If you're not sure what content should be in it, they're going to help you with that. They just made the process so very simple. So I just wanted to say thank you, Mitchell. I have loved doing this, and thank you to the team. You guys were awesome. And this is Michelle Scism saying be decisive. Bye-bye.